Alright, today we're going to replace an air filter on a 2007 Volkswagen Passat with a 3.6 VR6 engine. All we need is a Phillips head screwdriver, preferably a long one, number 2 Phillips. And I believe these screws stay in. Yep, you just turn them until they spin freely. Oh, might have to do a little bit of extra work for this one, that's not good. We'll have to come back and clean that up. Just spin them out until you feel no resistance. It's a little crusty too. Gotta love New England. If you don't have any other tools besides the screwdriver, probably stop now. That one's crusty too. Gonna come back with a little pick to clean the heads of those up. Hopefully we can clean this rust up. We got three that won't come out. Alright, let's come back. We'll see if we can get these out. Right, I'm back with a straight pick. It's always the jobs you think that are gonna take no time at all. Turns into a project. I'm just going to try and clean all the rust out of there. Might have to come back with another tool for this. It's not really much of a shape on this left. Let's see if we can get the others. So I'm just trying to scrape the rust out of the hole so I can get the screwdriver in there. If I was inside and had compressed air, that'd be useful to blow this out, but I'll use my natural compressed air. Just gonna clean the heads. We're just gonna try and clean all the gunk out of there. Now I'm gonna take a screwdriver. I'm gonna press in. I'm gonna save that one for last. I'm gonna make sure I'm pressing really hard. A lot of pressure. That way it doesn't slip. So we got that one. When we put these back in, I'm gonna just snug it up, not really put it tight at all. And here we're gonna push down really hard and turn. It was just starting to slip, I just got it. You put like lots of pressure and keep it straight. That's it. At least this one's on the end. I can get this one out if I need to with another tool. This one's the same thing, straight pressure. Nope. Alright, come out to plan C, we'll come back. Alright, this probably isn't going to work, but I'm going to try it with this impact screwdriver and a number 3. Even just the vibration might help us out. Doesn't really help that this thing's flopping around. I might get lucky. Look at that, we got it. Sometimes you just gotta have faith. Alright, we'll put that in a safe spot. Close this back up so it doesn't fall and I don't lose all the pieces. I had a little vice grip to try and maybe grab on if this didn't work. I don't think that was gonna work either, so luckily this did. Alright, so these wires should be fine. We're just going to pick this up, pull this out. Yeah. He's definitely seen better days. I don't think I've replaced this in like 8 years. So it's no orientation. It's only going to fit in one way. I'll pop that in there. Make sure this isn't sticking out. Slip. Push it back in. Make sure that filter's not sticking out any of the other places. And I'm just gonna evenly screw these in. And these things don't have to go crazy tight. This box isn't going anywhere. So I'm just going to turn. It's stripped out anyway. I'm just going to turn until I feel it just get a little tight. And then that's it. These things are only going to get more rusty. If I cared more about this car, I would take this assembly apart, replace the hardware. But we're just going to carefully, easily snug up those screws that were rusty. This guy, I'm just going to turn it in like that. It'll be alright. There's so many screws on here where it's fine. This is a customer's car. Yeah, I'd charge them, pull it apart, replace all the hardware or the box if I had to, but the goal for this car is to spend as little money as possible. Just keep it going as long as possible. And that's it. As good as new. We did it. I guess if I didn't have these tools here, it wouldn't have been so easy. You probably would have had to take it somewhere if you're doing it yourself, but luckily I got a bunch of tools, and that's it. Now the most important part of the job is to clean up your tools. And this will go in the trash.